Hello, it is Tasty Tip Tuesday, and your tip for today is how to roll sushi. I bet you didn't know I knew how to do that. Well, today I am going to show you how you can roll sushi without using nori. For those of you that do not like seaweed or do not like seafood, but you always wanted to try seafood, this is what I am making today, and I am using thinly sliced steak. I'm using bell peppers, carrots, other vegetables, so you will see. So right now I am taking the sushi rice and I am patting it into a rectangle shape. I have my gloves on because sushi rice can stick to your fingers and we don't want that. We want to keep our hands clean. We want to keep everything clean. And I have the rice on parchment paper. So I want to make sure that it is in a perfect rectangle, maybe a 2-inch high by 4-inch wide. And then in the center, I am going to lay my carrot strings, and I am also going to lay some green onions, and I am also going to put in some red cabbage. Of course, you can get creative. You can put whatever you want to put into yours because it is your sushi. So you can put avocado. I did not have extra avocado, so I only used what I had because I wanted to have the avocado on top. So taking the sushi mat, you want to roll it, and you want to make sure that you do not incorporate the parchment paper. So you want to make sure as you roll it, you're slowly lifting that paper up so that it doesn't get caught under the rice. Once you have the perfect rolled log of sushi, you want to take some plastic wrap, put over your sushi so that you can keep it nice and tight. And then you also want to put your sushi mat on top and continue to form the roll because you want a tight roll. Why do you want that tight roll? Because it makes it easier when you get ready to slice it. If it's not super tight, once you slice it, it's going to all fall apart. So you need a very sharp knife. And yes, we're going to keep that plastic wrap on top because we want to keep it all nice and even together. After you slice it, pull off your plastic wrap. Get your plate, your platter, whatever you are going to place your sushi on, and gently place it on that platter. Now, you can garnish your sushi with whatever you like. I like sriracha. I love soy sauce. I love a teriyaki, a ginger glaze, different things like that. But you can use whatever you want. Get creative. It's your sushi. So in this little bowl, I have an avocado crema. So it's avocado, a little sriracha, a little lemon juice, and I mix it all together with some of my lemony pepper spice blend, and I put a little dollop on the top of each sushi roll. And then I am garnishing the top with some very thinly sliced bell pepper. And then also I have some super thinly sliced skirt steak that is cooked to medium. I am going to garnish the other sushi rolls with the sliced steak. Of course, you can garnish with whatever you like. You can add the avocado. You can add sliced avocado inside of your roll. You can garnish the top with avocado. You can garnish it with shrimp if you wanted seafood, but we're talking about non-seafood sushi today. I also have some wasabi microgreens that I am going to garnish the sushi with. And then I am going to, this is a super easy technique. And a lot of people are like, oh, I can never roll sushi at home. Yes, you can. You can absolutely do it. All you need is a sushi mat, some sushi rice, which is so easy to cook, and whatever garnishes that you're going to put inside and on top of your sushi. So again, I am adding sriracha to my sushi. I am drizzling with some ginger teriyaki glaze, and then I am garnishing with my wasabi microgreens. Oh my God, y'all. This was so good. I mean, so good. I wish you could taste it. But guess what? You can make it. And here are your sushi rolls.